transformations. So the first one looks like she is doing a hair color change. She's going very bold with this. She's got some pink, orange, and some more pink. This is definitely giving me like bright girl summer vibes right here. Kind of looks like a tie-dye. So iridescent and pretty. Love this bold color combination. So next up, we have another hair color transformation. So the stylist is going in and bam, she has a rainbow variety. So moving right along, we see someone with very long hair. And boom, she switched it up to this very blonde pixie cut. Love this transformation. This is absolutely gorgeous. Quite the change. She definitely does not even look like the same woman. Very bold, vibrant blonde pixie cut. So moving on to the next transformation, looks like she's going to be getting a pixie cut as well. And she's also getting some color. So I'm thinking she might be going, oh, so she's going pink with this one. Maybe a bit of rose gold. So this is a very hot, hot pink that she went with. Wow. So she's getting a pixie cut as well. The stylist is just continuing to layer and cut the hair. So there she is before, dark hair, shoulder length, and bam. Oh, this is gorgeous. Love the final results. I think pink definitely looks great on her. Especially with her blue eyes. It really just adds some warmth to her overall complexion. Alright, so moving on to the next transformation. So she starts things off with about the shoulder length bob. Oh, so she cut her hair to about jaw length or so and got some nice blue highlights. That was gorgeous. And then we see a guy who's shaving his hair down. Now, I don't typically feature guys on this channel, but hey, you know, what the heck? Let's do something different. And I must say he is definitely an attractive one, so I see why I put this in the video. So there he is shaving his hair down some more. Now he could have stopped right there. I think he looked good with the curly hair though too. So moving on, she is getting some rainbow color as well, and she's doing the traditional rainbow color, pink, orange, blue, green, a little bit of everything on that blonde. Definitely a bold hair color change. Wow. Definitely a bold transformation, if I say so myself. Vibrant hair color. Alright, so then we move into another transformation. So the stylist does blow out the client's hair. And she's also getting some color. So she does have natural hair, and I think the client, or the stylist rather, blow dried the hair so that the color would stick to her hair better. Sometimes that does help if the hair is straighter than versus its natural state. So she leveled out the hair, lightened it up, and then added in this purple. And it looks like she's going with this very blue color. And this is kind of like a navy blue. So wow, this came out amazing. So the stylist is adding an updo. Gorgeous transformation. Love how it looks with the purple. I think that it looks really pretty and fun. And then moving right along, we see a pixie transformation. So the stylist does add some powder for some volume. This is a gorgeous pixie. A lot of shape, a lot of volume, very structured. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, love how she looks with the glasses too. Definitely a sophisticated vibe going on here. Alright, so the next transformation, she starts off with blonde hair and blue ends. So it looks like she's doing money piece highlights. So she has blonde in the front. Oh wow, this is a gorgeous color combination. Another very vibrant, bold style. And then we move into this bob. So she got a cut as well as color. She went with more of this gorgeous kind of natural style red ginger tone in the form of an angled bob. Oh, she has bangs in the front too. Love the variety. Very pretty. So next transformation, so she starts off with long hair and the stylist looks like he's going to cut it into a pixie cut. The stylist waves goodbye to her hair and keeps cutting into a pixie. Gorgeous. Love the way that this turned out. She looks so beautiful. Lots of volume, very nice. So we move into the next transformation. Looks like it's a younger girl. So she ended up getting some blonde highlights, money piece highlights, and some peekaboo color in the back there. Once again, a very vibrant hair transformation. Well, she already had some color to begin with, but I think that that yellow is definitely a nice switch up. Alright, so we see someone with a bob. She does have bangs with this as well. Oh, so she is rocking the purple money piece. This is gorgeous. Love the way that that turned out. She basically turned a basic bob into a trendy one. Love the way that this looks. So fun, such a cute style. She looks amazing. And she's even got the purple lipstick going there. Very pretty. Alright, so looks like we're seeing some highlights being added. These look pretty chunky to me. So my guess is she's probably getting blonde or platinum maybe. Yeah, so she ended up doing like blonde chunky highlights with the bob. Nice little wave going as well. And then the next transformation is going to be a classic Cleopatra bob with the blonde bangs. And then we move into a pixie transformation. So she started off with the bob and then the stylist does cut the hair into a pixie cut. She has longer bangs in the front. Alright you guys, so if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and I will see you in the next one.